Right, I just want to quickly show you this Matchbox model which I got like from Bus Rally, like, and it was like £7, and I asked the man if it was all there, right, and he said it's all there. So I'm not sure if I'll build it up or just keep it in box like Matchbox. But I've never heard of this Monty's Caravan, like, not seen it before, like, but 176 scale, so you can put it on your railway or like in your model bus fleet on parked up. So if you look at the back of box, and back of box, in there we have two, alright, we've got two colours to repaint it in, so you probably need two models if you want to do like both liveries, like, and even got dates on, like 1942 on the right, 1945 on the left. But the best thing is, like, you buy this, you're getting a bit of like history, and you're also preserving this because money goes back into preservation group, alright.